जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स. This is our first lecture regarding ECAT mathematics. So first of all we will discuss the first chapter of first year book. The chapter name is number theory. In this chapter we will discuss these main topics. First of all, we will discuss introduction of the chapter. What is actually number theory? In the introduction, we will see or discuss the history of the number theory. After that, we will discuss some important or basic sets regarding number theory. After that, we will discuss the rational and irrational number in the form of decimal. After that, we will discuss properties of real numbers. These are the basic and important properties of real numbers. And lastly, most important topic of this chapter that is complex numbers and its properties. Very important regarding the MCQ point of view or ECAT point of view. First of all, we will discuss the introduction of number theory. What is actually number theory? Before starting this chapter, we should know about the history of the basic sets. Like that, usually we have the solution of this equation. The first set we will discuss the natural number. Natural numbers. These are also called the counting numbers. Counting numbers. These numbers are naturally exist. So we can say that these numbers are natural number. What is the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We will show this by the capital alphabet, capital N. After that, if we need the solution of this equation, x plus 2 is equal to 2. X plus 2 is equal to 2. This equation have no solution in this set. For example, the solution of this equation is 0. 0 does not belong to this set. So we introduce a new set, which is the set of whole numbers, which starts 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. After that, x plus 2 is equal to 4. The solution of this equation will be x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 does not exist in this set. So we introduce a new set, that is called set of integers, which is z, and the set will be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and so on. So there are three types of integers. Types 3. Positive integers, zero integer and negative integers. Positive integer we show this like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. What about the negative integers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. These are called the negative integers. So, very important note regarding this. Note: z is equal to set of positive integer union zero integer union negative integers. So there are three types of integers: positive, negative and zero. After 0 we have positive integers, and before 0 we have negative integers. Now students, let's see. अगर स्टूडेंट्स हमें इस तरह की इक्वेशन को हल करना पड़े, like that 4x is equal to 2. The solution of this equation is 1 by 2. आगे जो नंबर 1/2 है, it does not belongs the set of integers. So we introduce someone new set, that is set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. So the set of rational number is x, whereas x equal to p over q, where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. And most important thing is that p and q have common factor 1. The greatest common factor in p and q should be or must be equal to 1. For example, this is in the lowest form. If we write this, you can say 9 over 18. This is not in the lowest form. So if we divide 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So 1/2 is in the lowest form. It means that the common factor between p and q should be 1. P and q should be 1. Now the next set will be set of irrational numbers, which is q dash. ऐसे तमाम नंबर्स जिनको हम p over q फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते, उन नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं irrational numbers. For example, x not equal to p over q, where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. q not equal to 0. ऐसे का नंबर जिनको आप p over q फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो वो रैशनल नंबर हैं, और ऐसे नंबर जिनको हम p over q फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते वो नंबर्स, दो नंबर आर कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर्स. अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक बात बताना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रैशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स. ऐसे तमाम नंबर्स जिनका स्क्वायर रूट एक्सट्रैक्ट हो जाए, या वी विल गेट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दोज नंबर्स, दैट नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर्स. और जिन नंबर्स का स्क्वायर रूट हम लोग नहीं निकाल सकते उन नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं इरेशनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल 25 एक नंबर है, 25 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आ जाएगा 5, और 5 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 over 1 p over q फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. जबकि अगर आप स्क्वायर रूट 2 का स्क्वायर रूट लें तो हमारे पास आंसर नहीं आएगा. इसी तरह स्क्वायर रूट 3 का नंबर लें, इसके पास हमारे पास आंसर नहीं आएगा. तो दीज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर्स. ऐसे नंबर्स जिनका स्क्वायर रूट निकल आए वो रैशनल नंबर हैं, और जिन नंबर्स का स्क्वायर रूट ना निकले वो नंबर्स इरेशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं.